Hi, I'm Karen Pedersen. I'm the marketing manager at TF Automation. We're an engineering company based on Canal Road in Bradford, and we produce special purpose machinery for a wide range of customers. We also distribute pneumatic and industrial components to local manufacturers in the area. We currently employ 21 people. That includes designers, engineers, sales, marketing, accounts, including one apprentice. Since most of our work is very bespoke, there's an opportunity to work with many different projects, and the work is very varied. And as we're a small company, you do get the opportunity to have a greater input in the workplace. We've got a highly skilled team of designers, engineers who, without them, we'd not be able to produce the innovative and cost-saving machinery that we do for our varied base of clients. Our support staff in sales and marketing and finance is equally as important as our designers and engineers to sort of support the needs of our clients, both old and new. We're very strong supporters of the apprenticeship programme, and we've taken on apprentices each year, some of whom are still with us now, quite a few years on. So we've got a young apprentice at the moment, but we're already recruiting for another one to start, I think, in September. TF Automation design, manufacture and engineer process automation solutions, as well as supplying pneumatic and industrial components. We support a wide range of manufacturing industries, from automotive, aerospace, food, drink, packaging, printing, and we provide special purpose machinery designed to clients' bespoke requirements, but with process automation, cost saving and standardisation as our main focal points.